Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the word chat on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. You just wait a 5 seconds because the application is loading. Checking resource data, loading. Start to start. And just wait again. New, click to the letter icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Sorry, that's the mailbox. Click to the person icon, sorry. And here you can find the word chat. You can find different meets and chats, and you can check that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.